Toptech Systems is a leading provider of terminal automation software and hardware solutions. Since 1988, Toptech is focused on delivering superior products and services by truly listening to the needs of the industry. With that in mind, Toptech has developed a powerful new solution. Load2Day. Load2Day is designed to reduce the amount of time, effort, and errors expended from contract signing to first successful truckload. This is achieved by providing improved customer service, operational improvements, terminal visibility. There are several stakeholders required to manage the process from contract to first truckload. In most cases, it involves the supplier, the customer, the carrier, hauler, the driver, and the terminal operator. So, how exactly does the process work today? In this case, the supplier and customer establish a fuel purchase agreement. Next, the supplier, customer, and carrier all have to manually enter various information about the customer, product, carrier, drivers, and vehicles, each of which requires supporting documentation. Then, the terminal operator has to set up all the same data that the customer and carrier already entered in their respective systems. This manual process takes weeks to complete and can be error-prone. When this is through, the driver is sent to pick up and deliver the product. The carrier has no statistical data for which terminal is best, so simply lets the driver choose. Unfortunately, Terminal C is chosen. This decision leads to a long line of trucks. With the current tools, the carrier couldn't have known that Terminal C has a few lanes down for routine maintenance. The driver finally makes it to the bay, only to discover that there are no products available to load. Now everyone has to pause in their day-to-day work to find out why. They're checking driver records, supporting documentation, vehicle information, and more. The terminal operator eventually identifies the problem and makes the necessary correction, allowing the truck to load. Unfortunately, it'll be late getting to the customer. There has to be a better way. Introducing Load2Day, a web-based service hosted by Toptech Systems that provides the following benefits to you and your customers. Improved customer service. Enter the data and upload documents one time and electronically store the information in a centralized location. Also, get access to electronic BOL data. Operational improvements. Reduce the time between contract signing and the first truckload to as little as 1 day. Terminal visibility. Use information such as wait times and product availability to get more loads each day. So now that we have Load2Day in place, let's take a look at how the process differs. The fuel purchase agreement is signed, and now everyone is able to input their data directly into Load2Day, which is instantly available to all other stakeholders. Users are able to access the virtual file cabinet for the supporting documentation. Instead of taking weeks to complete, it is possible with Load2Day to sign in the morning and load by the end of the day. Throughout the process, all stakeholders can rest assured that their data will remain secure. The carrier can now send the driver to pick up product. Using Load2Day's terminal status map, it's clear that the driver will actually save time by going to Terminal A. Harnessing the power of Load2Day, everyone has better visibility to terminal status to make decisions that maximize their profits. The truck arrives at the terminal and is able to quickly load. Using Load2Day, the user error rate is drastically reduced, and for the driver, that means efficiently getting in and out of terminal. As you can see, Load2Day benefited every stakeholder in the process. It does this by providing you and your business partners with improved customer service. The endless cycle of data entry and data re-entry is eliminated. Enter the information once by the person who knows it best, whether it's the supplier, customer, carrier, or even terminal operator. The master data is stored in one centralized location, along with the supporting documentation, which is stored electronically. Transaction data is also made available. Operational improvements. Time is money, and the time savings with Load2Day are substantial. The dramatic reduction in data setup time and documentation storage result in increased efficiency and accessibility. And terminal visibility. product availability and wait times are readily accessible to help you make informed decisions, resulting in fewer trucks being redirected to other facilities. This helps ensure you'll get the product you need when you need it. To find out more about how Load2Day can work for you and your customers, contact Toptech Systems.